y'all, welcome to Jen's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to be making stuffed peppers. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks!
We're going to start this recipe with some vegetable prepping. Now to start making the rice, start with some beef stock. Add in some rice and a little bit of butter. You're going to bring that up to a boil, and once it is boiling, you're going to let it simmer until the rice is tender, about 25 minutes. So now on to cooking the vegetables. We're going to add a little bit of butter and a splash of olive oil to raise the smoke point. Let's start with our garlic. Once our garlic starts browning, we're going to throw in our onions and throw in some mushrooms. Time to add a pinch of salt and start browning our ground beef. Once our ground beef is brown, we're going to add in some diced tomatoes and a quick squirt of ketchup. After adding rice to the mix, you're going to begin stuffing your peppers. Top it off with some cheese. Put it in the oven at 350 degrees and bake it until the cheese is browned, or about 45 minutes.
Hey y'all, if you liked my recipe and want to see more, make sure to click one of these links. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks!